Love the outdoors but don't know where to start? Why not try one of the easiest walks in Baguio, the Yellow Trail in Camp John Hay. It's very beginner-friendly. And who knows, it might just start your nature journey right here in the Philippines.
Naiyak ako sa ganda. Thank you for this.
It's beautiful. It's so peaceful.
I'm so happy.
Come with me. Put your hands together. Ta-da, let's be happy. You will see tomorrow's brighter. Ta-da, let's be happy.
Pilipino tayo, kaya lumalaban tayong nakangiti.
Tayo ay nasa Baguio at tayo ay pupunta ngayon for a walk. May mga dati na tayong kaibigan dito, pero ngayon lang tayo lalakad with them dahil very curious ako. Sabi ko, saan ba pwedeng maglakad? Mga hikes. At eto nga, ngayong araw na ito, finally, masusubukan ko na rin ang tinatawag na Yellow Hike here in Baguio City, and I'm going to Camp John Hay to experience that. Ang hilig ko talaga umaga, as in bago pa sumikat ang araw. Kaya super perfect itong trail na ito dahil maaga daw naglalakad yung mga kaibigan natin. Let's see! I'm excited! So we're going to Loacan Road. That's the one going to Camp John Hay. Maaga pa. Tulog pa ang John Hay. I'm so excited because today we are going to meet our friends here in Baguio. Okay, they are locals. So something about me, I usually have my activity tracker like this one para alam ko nakaka 10,000 steps ako every day. So I'm a girl who loves to walk and loves the mornings. So I'm just very fortunate because right now, maabutan pa nating mag-sunrise here in Baguio City habang tulog pa ang mundo. This is my kind of day. Itlog. Dito na lang yan para pagtapos ng lakad natin. Kala mo naman kung saan pupunta, may itlog na dala, di ba? At may kape. Itlog at kape. Bare essentials daw yan. So what brings me here, I already love to walk. As in, kahit dun lang sa kwarto namin, kahit dun lang sa area ng condo kung saan kami nakatira, kahit paikot-ikot lang yan, masaya na kami. Pero lately, sabi ko, parang kailangan ko yata itaas ang heart rate ko. And then my coach told me, do an incline. So here I am when I bumped into Len, when I visited her coffee shop here in Baguio City. Shout out sa Hot Cap. Yun, sabi ko, Len, may alam ko bang trails dito? And do you have a place where I can practice photography? Being a local, dami niyang suggestions, and luckily, she was really out to do a walk today at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. ang aming jump off here at the filling station here in Baguio City. It's just right across is where the Yellow Trail is. The Yellow Trail here in Baguio City is an easy walk. It's a 4.7 kilometer walk. Ang sabi, dadaan daw tayo sa Tunnel of Pine Trees. So I'm very excited because as you can see, it's still very dark. I'm still waiting for my friend Ben. But in a while, you and I will discover what this Yellow Trail is all about. Swerte tayo dahil hindi daw umuulan sa umaga, but mamaya daw uulan ulit. So hopefully we enjoy it, and hopefully this will start my walking journey. So come walk with B.
Ang Yellow Trail ay isa sa mga beginner-friendly trail sa Camp John Hay sa Baguio City. Dati itong ruta for horseback riding. Pero ngayon, popular ito sa mga gustong maglakad o tumakbo sa gitna ng mga pine trees sa Baguio City. Karamihan patag naman ng daan pero marami ring palusong. Pagdating sa Camp John Hay, punta lang sa filling station, ang usual starting point ng trail.
I'm Bernadette. Hello.
Hi! Hello! Nadine!
Yes.
That's Len! That's Len, my friend! Len and Nadine are both locals in Baguio at sanay sila sa trail at outdoor activities.
Yung yellow trail is very straightforward siya. Clearly marked yung daan.
Yes. Wala akong kailangan dala.
Trail shoes,
Trail shoes.
dry fit clothes,
Dry fit
hydration, pack mo kung gusto mo, bottle. Tapos pag mainit, syempre sunblock, tsaka cap.
Oops, mali ang suot ko. But that's okay. Ingat lang kasi madulas rin ang trail. And don't forget to bring your water.
Mahilig akong maglakad, tapos ganito ako kaaga naglalakad. 5:30, tapos tahimik lang talaga.
For those who are more experienced, there are also better routes to choose from.
Yeah, we're vlogging now. Say hello.
Hello, good morning.
Well, let's go. I'm ready.
Hello! Thank you, ha?
Of course.
I'm Bernadette. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Nadine.
Nadine.
Yes.
That's Lan! That's Lan, my friend!
So, they're the locals, obviously. Saan tayo pupunta?
Yellow trail?
Yellow Trail.
Magkasama talaga kayo madalas.
Namundok na kami marami.
Marami. Madalas kaming namumundok magkasama. Kaya may angkalad ka rin ng isa't isa.
Oh, and there's another one. Okay. Tara, excited na ako. So, briefly, ano tong Yellow Trail na to? Easy, very easy.
It's beginner friendly.
Yeah.
That's me. Okay.
At saka ano siya, ito yung pinupuntahan ng mga runners, mga gusto lang makita yung, it's forest bathing trail siya ng ano?
Ano?
Forest bathing.
Forest bathing trail.
Trail,
Sige,
oo,
okay.
ng Baguio. So, if you really wanna disconnect, get away from yung noise, pollution,
This is
cars,
it. And cars.
And people pala. Just for activity like physical activity, it's also for relaxation and for just being silent for a bit.
Yeah. Oh, sige, I'll be quiet. Okay, we'll do it. And I get it kasi may revelation ko.
Mahilig akong maglakad, tapos ganito ako kaaga naglalakad. 5:30, tapos tahimik lang talaga.
Hindi nadadal din mamaya. Quiet na tayo. Susunod na lang ako sa inyo. Okay, thank you, ha. So, nasa likod pala ng Lemonade. Akala ko across. Mali-mali ako.
and ano siya, marami siyang palikot-likod. Sila na-explore na nila yung mga different bends and turns dyan. Baka so far, yung main at saka yung isang trail na mawawala ako kung pupunta ako mag-isa. So now we're entering the start.
Kailangan ba ng guide palagi pag dito?
Ay, dito. No. Meron naman yung yellow trail is very straightforward siya. Clearly marked yung daan.
Yes.
So, you'll see signs. Kaya if you wanna get lost, maraming paraan.
Yeah, you can get lost. Because there are so many little trails there that are not usually the routes. Yeah.
Pero ano, mahahanap ba ako pag wala ako dito?
Mahala. Yes, you can actually shout.
Sige, okay.
And someone's gonna
Tara na.
Is it your first time here?
Yellow Trail, yes.
By the way, this is also one of the routes for the horseback riding.
Kaya may right part ng konti.
It smells really,
A bit, just a bit.
yes. So this will be the trail map, but it's kind of dark. So I hope it's not very dark inside because we forgot to bring our headlights.
Oh, bibili na ako ngayon, girl.
Saka umulan kahapon, so
Just be careful, watch your step.
Okay.
The mud. Some parts will be slippery.
Okay, got it.
It's still a bit dark in there, but it smells good though.
Wala nga akong gear. But I will be able to... Ayan na, nadulas. So don't worry if I slip. I don't mind slipping.
I know. I'm not worried about
Ano mo ba dati? Marami naman akong
Experience na umakyat ng bundok pala, by the way. Noong nasa probe team pa tayo at zero exercise ako nun. Mount Dulang-Dulang. At literal, Diyos ko Panginoon,
Nakasami si
hindi man iyak ako ng iyak the whole time. Tsaka bata pa ako nun. Ayoko na umiyak eh. Iyak ako na iyak. Nakakapagod. At saka napakahirap.
Okay ka ba?
Yup. I will survive. That's like double my age now, sis.
ka naman, tinapos mo naman.
Wala man akong choice eh.
bucket list namin yun eh.
Dulang-dulang. Diyos ko, Lord. Pero ang ganda ng bundok, para siyang Lord of the Rings. Ay, ang ganda ko. Oh, sorry. So pag uwi ko, putik-putik na ako. Sabi ng asawa ko, saan tayo nanggaling. Ito Ay! Okay. Focus. It's slippery. So maling shoes.
Naiyak ako sa ganda. Thank you for this.
It's beautiful, it's so peaceful.
I'm so happy. So last year, I went on a hot air balloon. This year, I made new adventure with friends here walking naman. So this is what 50 looks like.
Sabi ko, the age of 50 but the curiosity of an 18-year-old. So, college friends ko, guys. So, kailangan ko ng trail shoes. Trail running shoes. Yan na ang peg ko.
First time namin nagkakilala nung umakyat kami ng Mount Pulag. Tapos yun. The rest is history.
Madaling mga ladkad daw ng mga mahilig sa bundok. Taga Baguio ba talaga kayo?
Born and raised.
Ikaw, Len?
Pampanga. Pero dito na rin ako. Doon ako nag-college sa UP Baguio.
Ako naman, di ako nakaaral dito, unfortunately. We're here, right?
This is the sign.
So,
Kami rin yung last. Dito pa kami nag-pista ulit.
talaga?
Ngayon ang ulit.
Tapos talagang plano nyo rin maglalakad today?
Yeah. We talked about this a few days ago and suddenly you asked me yesterday. I was what?
Serendipitous, girl.
It was destiny.
Oo, meant to be. Oh, wow. Ito yung U-turn slot na nila. Wow.
Also rest you for a bit and enjoy the birds. Tapos down there, makikita na yung road ng Loacan Road. That's Loacan Road.
So ito ang dream ko. Hindi running, but walking. Hiking. I'm so excited. Welcome to the Yellow Trail. Oh, it looks like a heart.
Somebody told me something about it. I forgot. It's like about women, I think.
And pag umupo ka, magiging reyna ka.
Or magiging anghel.
Umupo ka nga dyan. Red trail, yellow trail, blue trail. So here we are, finally. Leading there, yellow trail, blue trail, red trail. Saan tayo? Pinakamadali yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow, let's go. Pili ko hindi to last.
You can do this every day because you'll not get tired of it. It's so peaceful here. I also come here a lot.
Oo, gawain niya maghanap ng trails na hindi pa masyadong pinupuntahan.
Hindi ko alam, ito pala ang kaibigan ko. Pag nakikita ko, barista and nanay by day. Pag madaling araw, naghahanap rin ng trail. Girl ko, alam mo lang. Ay, grabe.
May mga bird watching communities.
Oh my gosh!
So may mga nakikita silang hindi may mga endemic sa Baguio ng mga species ng bird.
Oh my God! Oh my golly! Nakikita na natin ang sunrise. I'm so excited. I should walk faster. So it's very even, no? Look. It's not so hard for newbies like me. It's my first time. So this is the yellow trail. Quite even also. Grabe! Meron palang ganito dito. OMG! Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? So easy lang siya. Patag lang. Nakakatuwa. So ang dal-dal-dal-dal ko. So, pwede ba na ako mag-monologue dito sa bundok ng mag-isa, promise. Oh my God! I'm just so happy.
May mga spikes siya para kumapit sa lupa and especially sa putik.
So, sa akin madulas kasi
Yes, flat.
next time, mga basics, just water.
Water. Hindi ka nitong soft na bottle. Pwede mo isiksikan sa ice. Pwede rin ganito kung feel mo.
Oh,
May belt to usually, running belt. So nakaganyan lang ka. Naiwan ko sa Manila. So madami sa Rodriguez. Ng Tanay. Tanay is one of the best talaga.
talaga. Kaya ang daming tumitira doon.
Ang favorite kong puntahan doon, even solo, is Laiban.
Talaga?
Very remote. Good morning.
Umaga
Remote
pa.
po siya. But the draw is may 4 na waterfalls along the trail. So, 3 bundok, tapos you end the hike with 4 waterfalls.
Wow.
You can even have your lunch sa isa sa mga waterfalls you choose. Swim. And then go back.
It's so nice. Ito daw yung pinakamagandang part ng trail. Look parang may mga sundalo. Thank you. Ganda ng mountain. Aren't we lucky? So our friends, Len and Nadine. Si Nadine ngayon ko lang nakilala. Si Len matagal na. Pero palagi sa coffee shop ko nakikita si Len.
check your heart rate whenever. Asan na? Tagal naman. Baka wala akong pulso. The dream is to run this one like Len.
Tapos na?
Bawal kasi
Kalahati pa lang po to.
Kalahati na tayo.
Halfway.
Anong kwento dito?
Voice of America. Parang, ako.
It used to be residences sa atin ng mga Amerikano. Di ba sila yung... Pero I think private tong road na to eh.
Hydrate. Never forget to hydrate.
Yes.
I have a little bottle.
Ang cute naman yan.
Hahanap akong bote na ganyan.
Pwede rin tayong mag-Mount Kalugong.
Oh my God.
It's an easy Mount.
Wala akong kailangan dala.
Trail shoes.
Trail shoes.
Dry fit clothes.
Dry fit
hydration. Pack mo kung gusto mo. Bottle. Tapos pag mainit, syempre sunblock tsaka cap.
Oo, yun ang importante. Yeah.
So, wala akong gamit. Ito na. Ano na nasa bahay?
Siga si Miss B, kahit ano pwede.
Wala akong... Kamaong ka, di ba?
Oo, diba?
Huwag magmaong.
At wag magmaong. Wala akong damit.
Si Miss B.
It's so beautiful. Look at that. So, it's forest bathing, they say. Morning po.
Hi, Mom.
Amazing.
For 20 to 30 minutes.
Wow.
And
Morning.
Hi. Wow. Anong tawag sa ganyan?
Ganyan ginawa ko, Miss B. Nung nag-Mount Ugo ko.
Anong trail running ang tawag
Trail
dyan?
running.
That's the best. Galing ha? May ganun.
Forgiving pa ng trail na to.
Huh?
Yung inakyat namin, yung elevation niya, 1,800.
Ito madali pa to.
Madali to.
Ilang taon ka nang nagtumatakbo?
1 year lang.
Ah, talaga? Okay, there's hope. From cycling, napunta
Yeah,
ka dito. Ito na mas gusto mo.
Oo, gustuhan ko siya.
So before you head off, I suggest you keep that emergency number. Si Len and I were comparing.
Bakit mas gusto mo ang trail running, Len? Dati na siyang nagsa-cycling and now trail running. Bakit?
The view.
The view.
And it's better daw sa knees.
This is something I really wanna do when I'm older. Imbis na golf. Kasi madami na sa golf course eh. Ako ito gusto ko. So, there's a little ravine over there. While it's pretty much safe, presence of mind is still very important. For people like me who are shooting while walking, no, I'll just focus a bit. I don't want to fall on the ravine. It's not yet 8 a.m. It's just past 7. And look at this. So if you're not into mountain climbing, this is a trail that's really something I highly recommend. It's so beautiful. This is our view at the Yellow Trail. Wala sa plano to, but yeah, I like doing things random too. It's the best. Gusto nyo nang mag-water break? Ayan o, malaki water break with fire hydrant. Kidding.
And this is a smart thing. That way the forest, this thing will be protected pa din if ever. Ang dami na nagkaroon ng mga fire.
Yeah.
Nung saan ba yun, Mount Purgatory kami, nadaanan namin yung hindi ko alam ilang kilometro ng sunog. Sobrang naiiyak ako. Sobrang naiiyak ako kasi yung amoy-amoy mo pa. Yung sunog ng mga puno. Ang dami.
Oh, no.
As in, ang dami.
Ito yung forma ko.
Okay lang na.
Tignan mo na yung forma ko. Pinagtatawanan nila. What not to do when going... Number one, masyado maingay.
Hindi
Pero
naman.
ito daw ang hindi tamang gear. Kasi wala nga talaga sa plano. Ito, dadaan yung tama. Ha, maya-maya. Pagtalikod niya. Next time, ganito na ang forma ko.
Ayan na.
Yan. Yan na ang forma ko next time. Ha? Okay, next time na makita tayo, Len, be ready for forma. Pero endurance wala pa. Pero dapat ba po, may forma agad? I mean, the right gear agad-agad.
Recommendation, yes.
Okay.
You know why? That gives you, number one, a confidence din. And that tells you, I'm gonna do this.
Kapag you're wearing the wrong shoes kasi mas malaki yung tendency for you to take a spill and possibly sprain an ankle.
That's the last thing you want to happen to you when it's your first few times na
Yes.
the trail. You don't want to have a bad experience agad.
Pero yung one thing lang naman, you don't have to go for pricey or expensive na clothes. Some of us, like me when I first started out, ukay-ukay ng Baguio.
Of course, the best.
Same.
Ukay-ukay,
I would get-
even shoes, di ba?
Yeah, same.
And then slowly, pag nakaipon and you decide to really pursue it,
Yes.
then
You
you'll
save up
start
na.
investing.
You save up
It's an
na.
investment din
Yeah.
kasi talaga.
Especially if you wanna do it for a long time. And health and fitness, you should be doing it until the end.
See you in Baguio.
Yes!
Pwede ba kunwari mga mabilis ko lang dito lang tayo kasi palagi akong busy. Balikan natin to.
Walang problema.
Eh,
You'll never get tired of this.
I hope you don't get tired of me.
What a blessing na libre tong trail na to, no entrance fee. But please, wag naman kayo mag-iwan ng basura nyo. Ha, yun lang pakiusap, libre na nga eh. Wag na nating babuyan, ha? Okay, got it?
Wrong shoes. Better shoes next time. I'll buy shoes na. Trail shoes. Nakakailang rounds na sila. Ano ba yan? Ibang level. Palagi yung ginagawa to?
Ano po, every weekend po, tapos sa work, strength training, tsaka basketball.
Talaga?
So,
Nakailang kilometro kayo ngayon?
ngayon, 18.
18.
Yeah, 18. 16 sa 18 kilometers.
May lalabanan ba kayo o talagang
Ay, magsasali lang po sa Bulag Trail on
Bulag Trail on?
Friday.
Push. Good luck ha.
Sige ma'am, thank you.
Good luck pa. Ano pong pangalan niya, sir?
I'm Mike po. Mike Cruz from, po, PNA.
Ay, TMA.
Yeah, so,
Sundalo pala
ay, hindi
kayo.
po. Civilian lang po.
You did it!
So, typically an hour and a half. Well, an hour and 40, but still. Ito na, palabas na. Paglabas dito, back to civilization.
Ito na. Ito yung usual fare
Yeah.
here in Baguio.
Sa family thing.
Picnic. We are back here. Hot Cat. Oh, ang aga! And just like that, she's back in her world. Ends our very brief yellow trail. Walk with B with Len and Nadine. Yan ha. Until next time, be happy!